Dogecoin hasn't really responded like Bitcoin and some of these other coins have, and we're at a critical spot. This could be a good buying opportunity for a swing trade if Dogecoin could hold this critical green ring and then pop up and come up to your upper resistance. As we know, we're trading within the symmetrical triangle through our ring system. You see that? We've had, we'll mark multiple areas of support and resistance on here. That's where these price labels come in handy. You can see we've had critical resistance once at that level, and then we've had it again back here at that level, and then we've had them, oh, I got some on here. Then we can see we've had them right there, right, maybe possibly coming up to here next is what we're looking out for. And then you've had your underneath support down here, right? We've had price support right here once, then right next to it twice. Then we've had it right here on the green ring again at 19 cents, right? See that? And now we had it on this green ring again right here where we're currently at. That's why we need to have this down here now, where we're currently at, and we're trying to hold that as support. And if we can, we could have a phenomenal bounce all the way up to that upper resistance that we just showed you in this symmetrical triangle. But that would be a 17% pump. So we're going to keep an eye on that as we're fighting and trying to hold support. But every time it gets above it, the heavy sell pressure comes in and it gets sold off, right? Now you're trying to sneak above that green ring again. So this is critical now. We're on the top side of this. If Dogecoin can get supported here and lift up, that's very bullish right now if we can do something like that, because we're on the top side of this ring again. As you can see, it came out of it right here. And a nice flush, and it back tested, it got rejected. Now it's peaked up into it to a moving average. Now we need to hold this and then pop back above this moving average, and then that's bullish, and that might be an indicator that we're going to move up to this upper target. If not, we're going to come on all the way down. That's why it's a risky play. If you don't hold support and you don't make that nice pump up to here and make them phenomenal 20% profits, you're going to crash all the way down to here, right? So we're going to keep an eye on that to see if we have a nice swing trade to the upside. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. This is a Dogecoin swing trade watch as a possible entry. There's a possible entry position if we can hold support on this green ring right here, like we just talked about. And as we back test it right now, if we can hold it right here, hold it, and then bounce up above here and get above that 200-day moving average that is up in here in the half-hour time frame, that's very bullish, and then we can play to our upper target up there, right? So that's what's going on in Dogecoin. XRP is trying to respond, and look at, right, just like we talked last night, the last time I talked when I was driving, you got rejected right here on your way up. You're at this major overhead resistance again at that $1.06. So if you want to get any kind of push right now with this recent pump in Bitcoin, you have to get over this major $1.06. And if you can do that, and I've been telling you, you have an upper end potential of this green ring, but now the green ring is moving into the future and the overhead resistance is downtrending from top left up there to bottom right down there on your screen if you're staring at it, right? So if you can get above this, get above that 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, you could pump up to this green zone, this green major support box, the volume indicator that is acting as bearishness now, but you could make a run up to there and the green ring at $1.15. And that would be a phenomenal from the breakout point of $1.06 all the way up here, a 8 to 9% gain if you bought the breakout, but then it would get harshly rejected, I believe, by this upper green ring, and it would force it down. But that is a possible swing trade to the upside today that I'm seeing. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. So if I was trying to swing trade this, I would be looking for a volume pump in the hour time frame, get over this major overhead resistance at $1.06 on top of that green 200-day moving average, and then start to trade up into this green box, right? And that's what I'd be looking for. If not, you're going to get rejected here on again and come back down to this underneath target like you did here, and now, right? So that's what I'd be looking for in the XRP. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Happy holidays and Thanksgiving to all of you, and updates will be coming later on today. Peace and love. Peace and love.